Hello friends, today we are going to start our activity number 1. In this activity, our aim is to prepare phthalic anhydride. This phthalic anhydride is aromatic organic compound in which two carboxylic group are attached to benzene ring. When we heat phthalic acid, the intramolecular dehydration takes place. Intramolecular dehydration means within the molecule loss of H and OH will take place and water molecule is formed, while main product is phthalic anhydride, which is formed by a cyclization reaction. During preparation of phthalic anhydride from phthalic acid, we will use process of sublimation. In sublimation, solid form of phthalic acid is slowly heated in evaporating dish so that dehydration take place and fumes of phthalic anhydride are obtained, which are later on condensed to obtain crystals of phthalic anhydride. To prepare phthalic anhydride, we need evaporating dish, cotton, spirit lamp, funnel, pair of tongue, wire gauze, tripod and filter paper. To prepare phthalic anhydride in evaporating dish, we have taken 2 gram of phthalic acid. Now keep evaporating dish on tripod with wire gauze and cover the top of evaporating dish with filter paper having number of holes in the middle of filter paper. Cover the evaporating dish with the help of filter paper, and on filter paper keep funnel in inverted position, while the nozzle of funnel is covered with cotton plug. Fine holes in the middle of filter paper will allow the fumes to come out and collect on inner side of the filter paper. Now heat the phthalic acid slowly on low flame. When we heat on low flame phthalic acid starts sublimating. Sublimate means solid phthalic acid convert into gaseous state, and that fumes come out from the holes of filter paper and get collected on the inner side of the funnel. This plug will not allow the fumes to come out. See, fine crystals of anhydride get collected inner side of funnel. Stop heating after some time and with pair of tongue remove your funnel carefully. See, cool the crystals, take it on paper and then weigh them. See, needle shaped crystals of phthalic anhydride we get, which are white and lustrous. After completion of experiment, note down your result. Color of crystals of phthalic anhydride is white, lustrous solid, shining solid. Shape of crystal is needle shape, and when we weigh the crystals, we find that the weight is 1.78 gram. See, all these are the important points, and on basis of these MCQs are asked, like phthalic acid contain 2 carboxylic groups, so it is dicarboxylic acid. The process which we use for preparation of phthalic anhydride is sublimation process. During this process, water molecule is removed, that's why it is dehydration process. And shape of crystal is needle shape. while formation of phthalic anhydride take place by cyclization reaction or by cyclization process.
Madam, why cotton plug is used in the process of sublimation?
During process of sublimation on evaporating dish, we keep the funnel in inverted position. Stem of funnel is plugged with cotton plug because it prevents the removal or escape of fumes or gases.
Ma'am, how to write the chemical equation for preparation of acetic anhydride from acetic acid?
2 moles of acetic acid when heated in presence of dehydrating agent, that is phosphorus pentoxide, intermolecular dehydration take place. Means one molecule loses H while another molecule loses OH and we obtain acetic anhydride. So this is the equation for preparation of acetic anhydride from acetic acid.
Ma'am, what is the color and shape of phthalic anhydride crystals?
We have seen in experiment that phthalic anhydride crystals are somewhat colorless to white, lustrous and are needle shaped.
Ma'am, why slow heating is required to the contents during process of sublimation?
Students, during sublimation, solid directly convert into gases. So during this process, slow heating is essential. This is the required condition because the gas molecule from solid should find their way through the atmospheric gases which continuously bombard on the solid surface.
Why filter paper is used with small hole in the center?
During experiment, we cover the evaporating dish with filter paper having number of holes in the center because this process is dehydration process. So, filter paper absorb the moisture which liberate during reaction while dry fumes of phthalic anhydride come out through the number of holes